injury can sideline a runner for months. Proper treatment and rehabilitation can make all the difference in your recovery. Shelley Botat has more in Health Watch.
Bouncing back from a knee injury can be tough. Imagine having surgery on your knees 3 times and still wanting to run. Katelyn Peterson found a way how. Katelyn Peterson runs 3 to 6 miles every other day.
It's a stress reliever for me.
Being able to continue running hasn't been easy. 9 years ago, while playing volleyball, she injured her knee.
It was a ACL, MCL, and meniscal tear.
Katelyn went to see orthopedic surgeon Jon Henry at Aurora BayCare Medical Center.
We performed an operation to reconstruct the ACL.
She rehabbed and was back on track. Then 2 years later,
My knee just gave on me. It was the other knee.
same injury, surgery again, and more rehab. Then 2 years later,
And my knees would always just be killing me.
Katelyn had torn menisci in both knees.
Someone who's had injury in their past, and an ACL tear is a good example. Thereafter, that individual's at a higher risk of knee problems in the future.
After surgery, Dr. Henry suggested Katelyn get a running analysis with a trainer.
There can be an important role for optimizing running mechanics, and this is where proper shoe wear and running gait analysis can be very beneficial.
They also get a video analysis while running.
With slow motion analysis, with the trainer or coach providing feedback, that the individual can make some appropriate corrections.
Katelyn did, and it worked.
And as soon as I kind of changed some of my mechanics and changed what I was doing, I was back to running.
Katelyn is thinking about running in the Dairyland Mile. It's not your typical road race. It's a 1-mile heat around a track.
The Dairyland Mile will be run very similar to a track event.
So the Dairyland Mile, I think, is a great example of an event for the community, for athletes of all ages and all abilities.
It will be held at the Katelyn High School track and is part of a national campaign to bring back the mile.
All track events are done in meters. America, we measure in feet, yards, and miles. So to bring back the mile is to run America's distance.
The Dairyland Mile is Wednesday, June 29th at Katelyn High School, starting at 6 p.m. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Shelley. Midwives or doulas help women deliver babies. Many mothers-to-be say they couldn't get through their deliveries without their help. But Monday in Health Watch, a twist on this story. Get ready for the doula dude.